Hi, in this video I will show you how to install Wipro TH400 Lite printer on your computer. To install this printer on your computer, you will require its driver. So this driver you will require this one. You will get the driver download link in the video description below. So download the driver from there and just right click on that and click on extract to. You will get this type of folder. After extracting, open this and make sure your printer is connected to your computer and it's the power button is on. Just double click on that file GA printer driver v20n. Double click on that to execute the file. Click on yes if it is asking for permission. Then click on next. Then click on install. After that, here install model. You need to select the model number of that printer, right? The printer serial number is GAE200. So you need to select that and then click on next. Here you need to select the port of your printer. I recommend you to select the USB 001 if you are connecting to the USB port. Click on installed and it will be completed. Click on complete, OK. And then you need to install this G80 utility as well. Double click on that and click on next. Click on next again. Next again. Click on close. Both of the installation process has been done. Your printer has been installed. You can check the utility. The G80 utility has been installed and go to the printers page. Click on start button. Click on settings and then click on devices. Then click on printer and scanners. Here, this one. The printer has been installed. You can rename that printer if you want. Just right click on that, click on manage and click on properties, printer properties. Here you can change the name. If you want to change the name Wipro TH 400 Lite printer. Click on OK. As you can see, the printer name has been changed. So that's it. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Have a great day. See you in the next video, next tutorial. Thank you.